Psoriasis can feel relentless. Flare ups, dry patches, itching, frustration. But here's what most people miss: the secret to managing it isn't about expensive treatments, it's about building a simple, sustainable plan. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and why it could truly change your life. Hi, I'm Vidhi, co-founder of Folium Cottage and a natural skincare expert with over a decade of experience supporting people from mild to severe skin concerns. In most consultations, I have been meeting people who felt stuck, hopping from one cream or treatment to another, hoping for really fast, quick results. But guess what? Once we shifted their mindset and helped them understand that it's not about quick fixes or chasing the next big treatment, it's about building a long-term plan, a sustainable way to manage and support your skin, they started seeing real lasting changes. Stick around until the end, where I'll also share my favorite tip, one that changed the game for many people I've worked with. Most of the people I worked with thought that they'd never see improvement in their psoriasis. But when they committed to some simple long-term lifestyle changes, everything started falling into place. So why do you need a long-term plan? Let me start by saying this. Psoriasis is unique to every person. What triggers or soothes one person's skin might be completely different for someone else. And that's why it's so important to develop a plan that's not only tailored to your skin, but is also sustainable over time. The idea isn't to fix yourself. That's not what we're here for. Psoriasis is a chronic condition, which means instead of fighting against it, we are learning to work with it, manage it better, and make life easier in the long run. So let's look at how you can build this plan step by step. Take it slow and stay consistent. The first thing I want you to remember is this: Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is clear, calm skin. Psoriasis loves patience and consistency. It's tempting to try 100 things all at once: new creams, drastic diets, expensive treatments. But that's not how our skin works. The real magic happens when you stick with simple actions over a long time. For example, start by choosing a gentle skincare routine. One cleanser, one good moisturizer, and a sunscreen. That's it. Do this every day, morning and night, for a few weeks before you introduce anything new. Consistency beats perfection always. Think of it like planting seeds. It might not look much right now, but with regular care, things will start to grow and flourish. Nourish your skin from the inside. Now let's move to food, because what's on your plate shows up on your skin. While we can't completely diet our way out of psoriasis, eating the right foods can really reduce inflammation and support your skin's healing process. Focus on including anti-inflammatory foods, leafy greens like spinach and kale, colorful vegetables, pretty much eat the rainbow. Berries like blueberries or strawberries, they're not just delicious, they actually help fight inflammation. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. All while you're adding the good stuff, it can help to gently cut back known triggers. Things like processed snacks, deep fried foods, even dairy and gluten can sometimes make inflammation worse. And if you're not sure what's triggering your skin, keep it simple. Try keeping a food journal for a few weeks, where you track what you eat and how your skin feels. Patterns will start to show, I promise. And don't forget to hydrate. Drink enough water. Water is one of the simplest yet the most effective ways to support your skin. Dehydrated skin struggles to heal and can become even more inflamed. Aim for about 8 glasses a day, and if the water feels plain or boring, add slices of cucumber, mint, or lemon for an extra skin-friendly boost. Think of hydration as your skin's secret weapon. It keeps things calm, balanced, and glowing from within. If this resonated with you so far, share this video with a friend who might really need these tips. It could make a huge difference in their life. Simplify your skincare. Let's talk skincare. Because in psoriasis, your skin is literally asking for a little extra care. But here's the thing, more products don't always mean better results. Focus on moisturizing regularly with natural soothing ingredients like aloe vera. It's cooling, hydrating, and perfect for irritated skin. Shea butter, great for locking in moisture and supporting the skin barrier. Coconut oil, known for its calming and healing properties, especially for psoriasis. However, you want to ensure that the oils you're using are of very high quality and cold pressed only. Skip the fake fragrances and harsh cleansers. They can strip your skin and make things worse. Instead, choose gentle products designed for sensitive skin. And remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Even something as simple as moisturizing right after a shower can make a huge difference over time. Manage stress and your flare-ups. Now let's tackle something that affects psoriatic skin more than we sometimes even realize. Stress. I know this is easier said than done, but reducing stress is a very critical part of managing psoriasis. Stress triggers inflammation, which can lead to flare-ups. And those flare-ups can stress you out even more. It's a vicious cycle. So how do we break it? By adding a few calming habits into your day that bring you joy. Number 1. Start small. Just 10 minutes of deep breathing, yoga, or journaling every day can make a huge difference. Number 2. Take walks in nature or listen to calming music. You'll be surprised how these little moments can actually soothe both your mind, your skin, and your body. And give yourself permission to rest. It's okay to say no and protect your peace. Your skin will really thank you for it. And now my favorite tip that I was talking about in the beginning. Track your progress and celebrate it. I cannot stress this enough. Your psoriasis plan will improve over time as you learn more about your skin. Keep a little journal to track routines, products, foods, triggers, and successes. For example, if you notice that flare-ups follow a certain food, level of stress, or weather changes, you can plan ahead. But more importantly, take time to celebrate the small wins along the way. Whether it's fewer flare-ups, calmer skin, or simply feeling good in your routine, these wins matter, and they matter so much. Remember, it's not about perfection. Psoriasis is a journey, and every step forward is worth celebrating. So if there's one thing to take away from this, it's that managing psoriasis isn't about overnight results. It's about patience, consistency, and learning what works for your skin over time. Be gentle with yourself and take it one step at a time. I hope this helped give you a better picture of what a long-term psoriasis plan should look like. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, hit that subscribe button for more natural skincare tips. And as always, share this video with someone who might really need it. They'll thank you later. Thank you so much for watching this, and see you in my next video.